Okay, here's an overview of the assignment that you'll work on either Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday, October 5th, 6th, or 7th. Here we are at our home page. Here are the modules, and you're going to choose, it will either say Monday, October 5th or Tuesday, October 6th. And it's asynchronous work equals homework. So there seems to be some confusion about what you need to be doing when. So half of your time in school, you're spending in Zoom meetings with your teachers and classmates. The other half of your time, though, you should be working on the activities that your teacher has assigned you to do. And today is about figuring out where the hang-up is, because we did not have enough people finish the assignment in order to be ready to go on to the next topic. We have to build on what we did before. And so today and this week is all about helping you figure out how you're going to get your homework done. So if you meet with your math class in Zoom on Mondays, on Sunday night at 9 o'clock, you need to have your homework finished and submitted. If you meet on Tuesdays in math, you need to have your homework finished and submitted by the night before, Monday night at 9 p.m. It's crucial. So ask yourself, if I go to class, I go to Zoom meetings on Thursdays, when is the assignment for that day due? Correct. Wednesday night at 9 p.m. If you go to class on Fridays, Thursday night at 9 p.m., the night before you go to class by 9 p.m. It's crucial. So, to figure out what's going on, I've made a survey. And in order to take the survey, you have to click on it. It's in Forms, so you'll fill it out right in here. There are 5 questions. Once you've finished the 5th question, you click Submit. That's submitting the survey. This is what gets you credit for taking the survey. You need to click True. I've finished the survey. I've changed the wording on this a little bit, but true, I've finished. Then don't forget to click Submit Quiz. That will take care of getting me the information I need in order to figure out how to help you. So you can either choose the back button to get back to where we were, or you can click on modules again. I think I'm just going to use the back button. This icon right here means that you need your toolbox. This icon right here means that you need your Mathifesto. So you need both of these. There's an assignment to submit for both. However, if you'll notice in this red wording right here, you only need to do step 2 if you did not have your homework ready for today. If you had your homework submitted and ready for today, probability bingo, pinning and spinning, then you get to skip and go right on to number 3. So just a reminder of what this looked like. It's what we talked about on Thursday and Friday. Everything is laid out in videos. You have 2 things to submit. And that should have been done by last night at 9 o'clock p.m. So, if you didn't get that done, you're working on that today. Step 3, you're going to actually play bingo. Now, it would be great if we were all playing together, but as it is, you're probably going to have to play either with somebody at your house or by yourself. Here are the spinners. Notice if you looked in the picture that I had, the first one was a 10 and the second one was a 5. And we only want 2 spinners. So you get that set up. You just press spin. You're all set. Here's a picture of how you need to set that up. Step 4. You know that you're going to be submitting something from your Mathifesto because it says submit assignment from your Mathifesto. Now you can't click on that to submit assignment. It's just warning you, hey, you've got an assignment to submit. So this is that bingo card that you made in your Mathifesto. This is already filled out, and this is filled out, and this is filled out. All you have to do, play yourself a game of bingo right here and record your results right here. Don't forget to click submit. So you're going to have to take a picture and submit. Just reminding you what that looks like. See, add a file, submit assignment. Okay, awesome. I'm going to leave this page because I don't need to submit that. Then you're going to embark on some puzzles. So here are the 6 puzzles, sorry, not 6, the 8 puzzles that I would like you to do. I'd like you to look at each problem, and I'd like you to show your work in your Mathifesto and then submit a picture of it. So you're doing these problems, you're going to submit your assignment using this right here. So those are your tasks. If you have any questions, you need to send me or Ms. Tuifua a message in Canvas. We also have help sessions, and you need to take advantage of those. Okay, off you go. Good luck, and let's get working on our homework.